city street, chasing dreams of glory. Got the fire, no defeat. Run, 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 never slow down. Feel the beat, the heat, rise from this town. Headphones blaring loud, walking tall with pride. In the crowd I stand out.
The ride to Breezewood is so beautiful, guys. I like coming out to all these tracks are really cool. It's crazy that we even go this far to ride, you know? Like, you always see people talking about how like the sport is so crazy that like you can go ride, you know, you can go drive 2 hours, ride for like a 5-hour day, 4-hour day, and then go back home and do it all again. Sometimes another day, a whole nother day, you know. But still, the sport is amazing. It's cool to see where it's going. I'm just having fun with it, guys. Going to like I said, we're on our way to Breezewood for my boy Cactus Jack's birthday. We're just gonna work corners and we're gonna have a blast, guys. I'm gonna work corners, try to get some good footage of my guys riding around, you know, make sure everybody can come home safe, and we're gonna have a good time, y'all. Stay tuned. Hope you like this one. Should be a fun one. See you guys soon.
Gonna go out there and shred it.
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Breezewood, and they changed this thing up, y'all. I just recently did a video. On this place of the new changes. I think I was like second. I need to hit that in third. That's a triple. It's almost like you jump in the flat though. So, the new layout ain't bad, y'all. There's a mean kicker right here. But it's not too bad. I don't like the four-wheelers, man. kick that man in the head. Yeah, bro.
The king of the streets. I got the rhymes to make your body move to the beat. When I step on the stage